so មានអីខុសគ្នារវាងពាក្យ listening to something and listening for something. What the difference between listening to something and listening for something? Something, no? Example like you hear it, you receive it in your ears. អាហ្នឹងជា listening to something. ដល់ពេល listening for something, you are waiting to hear something. You are ready to catch a specific piece of information. You listening actively. ចាចឹងអាមួយlistening to something ហ្នឹងយើងគ្រាន់តែឮធម្មតាដូចថាយើងដើរកាត់អីយើងឮមួយអីមួយចឹងទៅប៉ុន្តែបើ listening for something ហ្នឹងអាហ្នឹងរបៀបដូចថាយើងរងចាំឲ្យគេនិយាយមកយើងចាំស្ដាប់ហើយយើង ready for catch specific piece of information ដែលយើងចង់ដឹងហ្នឹងហើយចឹងយើងប្រកាសជា listening actively ហ្នឹងគឺខុសគ្នាបែបហ្នឹងមួយ listening to something មួយ listening for something. That's it.